Hello everyone, today I will be teaching you all how to make XM account to earn money with. But before we go into the video, I want to tell you to subscribe to our channel and leave a like on this video. It helps us and supports us to continue making more videos. Thank you for all your support. Now let's get on with our topic. Copy our link in the description and paste it in your browser. It helps us a ton by supporting us even more. Once you are in the browser with our link, click the Start Trading button to get started. Your page might now look like this. Once you're here, simply fill in the needed and required information in order for it to be sent into your email. You will be sent an email with a button linking to your account. Once you open it, it should look like mine. If your background is white, do not worry, as I am using dark mode. I will start making my account now, as an example as to how it should be made. Make sure to always check the boxes, as they will not allow you to make an active trading account if not. So now that I am done with the account, it should look like this, except for the fact that your background is black. If you want to view your account information or change your password, refer to the 3 dots near the Withdraw button. After making your live account, go to the platforms and download the one you set for your account. Mine was MT5, so therefore I will choose MT5. After that, click the download button to download your trading platform. We will wait for it to be done downloading. Congrats! You have successfully made an XM account, and now you can start trading. Soon you will be able to trade and earn money using this account. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel as it will support us in the creation of even better and new videos. That is all for today. Goodbye and have a great day knowing a method on earning money.